You've likely heard the expression, if you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always gotten. And so, if we want different results, we have to do different things. We have to do things differently. And there's a lot of resistance to that. A lot of it's unconscious. We don't even recognize that we're stopping ourselves from doing what it takes. So, in live workshops, I'll ask people, what's it going to take to get the results that you want? What are the actions you could take? And how willing are you to take them? And that's when we start to find out what that resistance is, why we keep doing the same things over and over again. And then we start tapping to clear that stuff out. And one of my favorite things is when I get notes afterwards from people saying, hey, that thing that I was resisting doing, I did it. So I look forward to getting a note from you about something you're doing differently so you can have the results that you deserve.